Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Tuesday. I have a couple things I want to show you. I'm not teaching anything today. I am not even giving you a new assignment today. Apparently, I give too much work. I don't know. But I'm not going to give you an assignment today. I just want to show you a couple things. You asked and I heard some of you were having issues with my classroom that I put up, so I have modified it and I've made it a little bit easier for you to access and for you to get to all the links. So I'm going to show you that and then let you know that I'm going to keep adding things to it. So just because you found the extra credit, and there are 2 people who found the extra credit yesterday, just because you found that extra credit does not mean that there will not be more extra credit in the future. So you're going to have to keep going back to my classroom and keep checking it out because things will keep getting added and it's just fun for me, okay? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I'm talking about. So right here we have our Welcome to Tuesday message. Remember, we have 8 days of school left. Here is my dancing bear to show you that we have 8 days of school left. But under that, there is a spot that says Miss Viner added a new tab at the top of the channel. Here's a link. So you can click on this link. But for the future, you're always going to be able to find this tab up here in the very top. It says Files, Class Notebook, Assignments, Grades, Class Info. 4 more. Yours might be a little different than mine, but it's going to be here. You're going to go to Classroom. So I'm going to click on the link and go to Classroom. Pull my face out of the way. And then right here, there's this little button. Now, back in my day, we used to have projectors, screens that we had to pull down. That's what that is. You don't know what that is. Just click on it. And what it's going to end up doing is bringing this into a way that you can interact with it. So it's going to load for a second, and then here you go. Now, all over this, you hover around and there are different things to click on, and the clicks will take you to different places. All right, so if I click on this one right here, the YouTube one, it's going to pull me over. Let me make sure that you're seeing what I see. It's going to pull me over to my YouTube channel. All right, so you're just going to hover around and click on different things. Even if it doesn't look like something that you know, you just try clicking on it and see what happens. So, like I said, more you see, those of you that looked at it yesterday, there's more stuff on it today than there was before. So I'm going to keep adding more things to it. Once you're done looking at it, you can just leave. Click on your daily assignments page and you'll go into the assignments. Now, like I said, I'm not going to be adding another assignment today. Today I'm going to give you for reading, I'm going to give you for studying for your quiz. Tomorrow you are going to have a discussion board post that you have to answer. Don't get freaked out. We're in the last 8 weeks. I want things to be a little bit more fun, so don't freak out about what we're doing. Couple of quick notes. Plagiarism. Plagiarism is the act of stealing somebody else's work and calling it your own. It has been brought to my attention that this has been happening, and that's not okay. It's not. Now, the only reason this isn't something that I am writing a referral for or anything like that is because it's an assignment that I was not planning on grading in the first place. But I am going to have to reach out to parents. Didn't want to have to do that, but I am going to reach out to your parents to let them know that you are copying other people's work. Don't try to deny that you're copying other people's work either. Please be mature. Please be smart, like I know you are. Do not do these kinds of things. It's not hard to come up with your own ideas in a space where I'm giving you so much time to think and to work and to come up with your own thoughts. Please don't do it. I've also spoken to some other teachers about students, and it looks like people are doing a lot of work for other teachers and not for me. Don't know why. Not giving you that much work. If I am giving you that much work and you're having trouble keeping up with the work, you should be reaching out to me. I've talked to many, many parents and many, many students about catching up, and my response is always the same. I am slowing down how much work I'm giving. I am accepting late work all the way up until the end. I hope that you guys like me enough that you're not going to give me late work all the way at the very end, but that option is there for you. Other than that, I don't have anything for you today. Please, please make sure you've studied before you try to take the test. You have until Friday. You have until Friday. Everyone in my house right now knows you have until Friday. And they were reminding me to remind you guys that you have until Friday and to make sure that you've studied. But the great thing about this online learning right now is that you can go back and you can look at the videos and you can look at the notes that you've taken and you can relearn all of the things that you're missing so that you can do the best you can on this test. My questions did not come from Google. So Googling the questions won't necessarily find you the answers. Please do not do that. I'm having to decide if I want to give zeros for the final check for understanding, and that is 50 points. It's the most points since your essay that you did weeks ago. So it could really, really hurt your grade, or it could really, really help your grade. Please do not be dishonest. Do not do anything that you know you're not supposed to do. All right? I love you all dearly. I look forward to talking to you soon. As always, I am a text message, phone call, message on Teams, on the help board, away. Just reach out to me if you need anything. I look forward to talking to you guys and hearing from you soon. Bye.